up guys? Pupunta kami ngayon Balaring. Tara, let's go! Hello, kamusta guys? Pakadto kami subong sa Balaring ah.
So guys, we are now in Balaring. So now we are in Balaring. Let's go.
What is environmental awareness? Environmental awareness is raising concern about our ecosystem, and it revolves around us in our community. We can help in preventing such pollution, and as well as proper way of segregating garbage, and proper way of and maintain cleanliness, and as well as maintaining cleanliness in our community.
Ito ang magiging epekto kapag kulang ka sa kaalaman about sa environmental awareness, kagaya ng katulad nito. Ito yung magiging epekto ng pagtapon ng basura sa kahit saan sa epekto nito is pagbaha. Nababarado yung mga drainage natin. And isa sa mga epekto nito is ang habitat destruction. Naepektuhan din dito yung mga alaga nating hayop, kagaya ng mga ibon, dahil dun sila naninirahan sa mga puno.
I am Midshipman Lastimosa Inupi. What you can do to help the environment? I think the first thing you need to be aware in your environment. Spread awareness or educate others about protecting our environment. Like no littering. You can start from there. Like reduce your waste. Use recyclable bags. Don't use plastic bags because it can affect like this the mangroves. And if you have time, you can volunteer to the cleanup operation that can help the environment, like mangroves, or do tree planting. That's all. Thank you.
So I am back again guys, no? So that's the pre-conclusion about our vlog, no? About the environmental awareness. So, yung environmental awareness dito noon sa may Balaring na mangrove, medyo malala yung situation. Tulad nito. Yan. Kita ba? Yan. Okay. So, yun yung example ng walang environmental awareness noon. So ngayon, na-implement na talaga yung environmental awareness. Kita mo yan, no littering. So talagang ni-implement na. At kitang-kita naman dito yung venue na ang linis na tignan. Yan. So that's our pre-conclusion for Balarings Mangrove Resort. Okay.
Environmental awareness is the foundation for building a sustainable future. It empowers individuals and communities to understand the impact of their actions on the planet, promoting responsible consumption, conservation, and the protection of natural resources.
Environmental awareness is crucial for the preservation for our planet. It fosters a sense of responsibility, encouraging individuals and communities to adopt sustainable practices, reduce waste, and protect natural resources. Good.